projected, huh?
Yeah.
The windows don't go up, or
They usually tend to too dark.
too dark.
Yeah, too dark.
A little car in the back there, huh? Yeah. A car in the back.
How are you going to get home?
Congratulations.
Very good.
Class 20, moving onward and forward. 73 to 79, stock personalized. In first place with a 73, Plymouth Quarter is Burt Robinson.
Boy, Brad.
Here's to you, Mr. Robinson. I think I heard that in the song when it was about Mrs. Robinson, wasn't it?
You will go. 4 years in a row, right? Yeah.
First place? I think so. Okay, and in second place with a 78 Pacer, V8 hatchback, interesting. Michael and Melinda Feingold.
Got the dynasty going, Brett, huh?
This must be Melinda, I take it.
Over here. Really nice black.
Congratulations.
William Tell Overture. Tommy Flanders?
No, it's pretty flaving. They got to wear the skates backwards.
So look at him there. No excuses. Earlier this year, Bill announced his retirement. He postponed it once and made the name even further as long as his health holds up. Put the ball from him. But the main reason Bill keeps playing one of the toughest positions in sports is flanks. It's hard to find goalies still playing at this age, so as long as Bill can suit up,
Where? To the left of the goal?
Yeah, on the left of the ball, yeah.
In Quincy, at AWCB,
4 mornings a week, the Quincy Youth Arena takes a trip back in time as the Quincy Bald Eagles, an over 60 hockey team, take to the ice.
Pros will give it up when they're 30s and 40s. We just don't give it up then that early.
For more than an hour, the team of retirees and grandfathers duke it out. But one player has seniority over everyone else, 85-year-old goalie Bill Parsley. Hockey players are known for being tough, but Bill is as tough as they come.
I had a detached bicep in each arm. I've had both hips replaced, and I had 2 surgeries on each shoulder.
His skill and dedication inspiring Bill's teammates, some who are young enough to be his kids.
Bill he's a old-fashioned stand-up goalie. He's adapted a little to the butterfly.
Keeps, every time my back is hurting me right now, but I think, holy schmoly, I look at him and I go, no excuses.
Now, earlier this year, Bill announced his retirement. He's already postponed it once and may delay it even further as long as his health holds up.
Putting the pads on, I got one guy, he puts the bottom strap on because I can't get it.
But the main reason Bill keeps playing one of the toughest positions in sports, his friends. It's hard to find goalies still playing at this age, so as long as Bill can suit up, he'll take his position between the pipes to make sure the games continue.
When people get old, as they get older, their friends die off and everything. There's 70 guys in this organization, and it's like you start skating here, all of a sudden you picked up 70 new friends.
In Quincy, Matt Reed, WCVB News Center 5.
That's awesome.
Incredible.
Great perspective.
We have a hockey story for you. Each week, the Quincy Youth Arena in Massachusetts takes a trip back in time as the Quincy Bald Eagles hit the ice, led by a goalie that continues to defy Father Time.
The food is very good here, and the Bruins and the Rangers were always in 5th and 6th place. Yeah. He may be able to play like available every other Friday or something. Sing us a song, Freddie. No. You don't know the words.
Age is just a number. To say that is one thing, but to live it is quite another. It's an ideal that Bill Parsley knows well.
He has a lot of energy. He can't just sit around the house. So he's here playing hockey once a week, and he loves it.
At 85, Bill is the senior member and goaltender for the Quincy Bald Eagles, an over 60 hockey team that gives its players more than just a chance to lace up their skates.
You come down here, and you got a whole bunch of guys, and some of them are clowns, you know.
All right, guys, remember when we go out there, think defense and get me the puck on offense.
It's fun in the locker room, and you want to be with fun guys.
Ever since I grew up as a kid, hockey's been the strong part of my life, and it's what's been keeping me going and getting me up to this age.
If you made a list of all the things that are wrong with us, yeah, I mean, I've separated my shoulder twice, I got arthritis in both knees, my hands don't work right anymore. But, you know, for that hour you're out on the ice, you don't think about it. It's great.
Between Kenny here, who's 70, and myself, we got 155 years experience.
It's funny, you know, a lot of people are very impressed with what he can do, and we just don't think anything of it because it's just like, that's Dad, and that's what he does. Here we go, Dad. His grandkids are really proud of him. I love seeing my kids and the way they talk about him. They're very proud of their papa.
You two have to be inspired. It's time for a comeback. Announce it right here.
I'm depressed watching that. Look at the mobility on the guy. Down and up, kick save, and a beauty. He looks great,
One of the guys listed off the arthritis, the bad knee, the bad hands. I came to the league with bad hands. I left the league with arthritis in my knees. So I'm going to stay away from that game for a few more years.
And you were younger at that point.
I was, yeah.
All right, we'll delay the comeback for now. As for us, coming up, it's third period for Minnesota. The Blues.
The average age on the ice is about 72.
Any slower and I'll be in reverse.
The first pair of goalie pads I ever bought, I bought them from a guy down at the pond, and I paid $5 for them.
Agent Shepard, I want the
Put it reverse in case it catches. You guys are stronger the second time around. Oh, yeah, we're getting better. Yeah. You want guys push? Yeah. How the hell do you miss that? Well, I guess I hope they show up. She's out there. When I tell you she's out there, she's out there. How can you miss that? How he's not only got a video, he's got audio. Boston goals going by number 17, Bill Creighton.
No, now he's gonna cheat.
Who's cheating, Bob?
You press the pause when I'm not ready.
I didn't press the pause.
Like I said, I told you to score.
You cheated.
Need the highlights. That was the little guy with the Toyota there, Bob. He did the all the brakes too and everything.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't even know how that one didn't go in. Jesus.
What did he need?
Check engine light came on. Looked like a gas cap. Evap. It needs the box in the back, I guarantee. You don't get my goal, you get his. I'm telling your boyfriend's girlfriend.
Okay. No, girlfriend's boyfriend.
Yeah. See that?
Yeah, he's videotaping me, so he's... Oh. Cheetah.
Yeah.
Next to your car?
On both sides.
Oh, you did? Okay.
I know he asked you about the futon, Bill. If you keep asking.
Oh.
I keep forgetting. I got a corner computer desk.
Oh, yeah. It's like new.
Careful, buddy, careful.
Small computer desk.
Oh.
No use for it?
That's Kathy. Kathy will be here in a minute.
I'll ask her then.
I don't know. I don't know anything.
I got a little, it's like a corner computer desk. It's small. It's too big for our
Don't you have a student in the back of the house?
what?
Isn't his sister living back there?
Oh yeah. I
I
don't
don't know what parents is back
Tired yet or what?
Your legs move fast.
He's gonna tire both of us out before he's done.
Let me see which one's getting tired.
Yeah.
Stayed on all the way home and all the way here, right?
Yep.
What the fuck did they do that there? You know what I mean?
gearing it. It's 411 going, I think, or 456.
Wow.
Can't get on the highway or anything. Well, that's why you always go to that way.
Yeah.
Looking at his phone already. Why would a genius pocket millions of money? Come on.
Got something? Know something? No? Looking at something?
Look at that guy. That's his wife.
Tara?
Hey, hello.
Somebody you know?
Drawing a blank, to be honest with you. I guess I'm looking on a minute. Hey, how are ya?
You hit a nail on the side of the back up.
Yep. Yeah, we got a big guy. You could have came over here, you know. I mean, we don't fight.
I'm like, you're all in a circle talking. I'll just wait.
All right.
Thank
See
you.
you later.
Have a good day.
I know. Oh. All these times they always say them.
Turn it around.
Do you vote in both states? I mean, that's the other thing. I said to that, I'm like, somebody check my ID. I just gave them an address. I could have given them my neighbor's address. Voted twice. I felt like it.
Arizona's right on the border.
Yeah.
Right? How many people think
Turn
come
it
across the border?
around, Joe. Turn it around. Turn it around.
You can vote. Oh.
No, the other, turn it around, so it faces me.
Right.
The other way. There you go, that's it. Now roll.
That's what I don't get.
I was reading this.
Antenna. That's all it is, an antenna. Anyway, just throw the boxes in there.
They just don't get it. You know what I mean? Give me 10 minutes with an engineer and I'll straighten out his end. I can promise you that. It doesn't make any sense to do with it.
Daily service. I mean, well, and the service bulletin says you're supposed to pull up and
Tell me you're here. You feel those feels today, Rick?